I didn't know that. That's something new.
Yeah. Oh, that's how it marinate.
Yeah. You have to lock it down. Yeah. Yeah, it's a Caribbean style jerk season.
There you go.
Yeah. Pimento, pepper, garlic.
Yeah.
Tyme.
Yeah.
Yeah. Scallion. Yeah.
Smells sweet.
It'll trust me. No joke. And that's how you get the season going. You don't turn the face of the chicken down, you turn it from the skin down.
Right, let it catch the season.
Yeah, and then when the heat take it, the season penetrate through it.
Yeah.
And that is the science all about it.
Oh,
that's okay. Some people turn down so
and let it burn.
Yeah, and that burn out.
Okay.
And then I'll take a long time to cook.
Because they're not that big.
There you go. Come stick it.
And add some of the juice.
And this is the gravy that go inside.
Oh, keep it moist.
Bigger one go down at the bottom when the fire burn out.
Yeah, they either cook those.
Spread out everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you pack them up on one another now, some of them don't get no properly eat.
Turk, we got some onions. The purpose of the onions, you ask? It's simple. To wake the neighborhood up. Yeah. Okay. No, we just live in there.
Wake up the village. Just with this,
Just the onions and chicken?
Like I got smell. Time before you eat it, you're frightened to know. People, we all talk about it. We're doing a barbecue walk.
That's your American accent.
You have to go direct on the fire.
Right, because it's in the burn.
Yeah. So you put the fire in the middle, and you put it on the side, and by the time these get heat and you penetrate through them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Look at the fire so hot. You know you're not putting it right over that. And it blaze up and burn so fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see that catch color right away.
Yeah.
That catch color right away. Alright, so now, yeah, let's get that drain. I'll do it up there, see that catch color.
Yeah.
Keep it alright now.
Yeah.
Keep it dead over the fire.
Yeah.
It's burn.
Yeah. It's not burned all the way, but it will burn.
Yeah. But you put the skin down first.
Mm-hmm.
Let the skin burn off. Now let's just close this one. The heat will go penetrate. Alright.